The 2019 Tokyo Motor Show is in full swing, and that means we're getting a lot of emails from all the vendors. Lexus is attending the 46th edition of the event with the LF-30, an exciting EV signaling the wave of the future as far as the company's electric ambitions and concerns. With a combined 536 horsepower and 516 foot-pounds of torque on tap, the latest concept from Lexus runs to 62 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds and tops out at 124 miles per hour. Those 4 electric motors feed on a large 110 kilowatts per hour battery pack mounted in the floor to improve the center of gravity and the handling. Envisioned for the year 2030, Lexus says the LF-30 concept can cover up to 311 miles between charges, based on the WLTP cycle. Once the battery is depleted, it can be charged at 150 kilowatts without the hassle of having to use a cable, as the vehicle has been developed with a support for wireless charging.
The LF-30 Concept. The Lexus Advanced Posture Control is the future of electrified driving pleasure. Stabilizing the driver's line of sight is key to delivering higher levels of confidence, control, and comfort. To achieve this, the system dynamically adjusts the torque to each wheel, constantly optimizing the vehicle's motion and posture. The result is an exhilarating and unique driving feeling that can be enjoyed in all types of driving conditions. In autonomous mode, the system provides exceptional levels of comfort by cleverly mimicking the behavior of a great chauffeur. This is driving pleasure at a whole new level. This is Lexus Electrified.